Hello, and guess what? The maths content is returned. And I'm going to start back up with some addition. This is all British maths and maths from like the UK and in UK and even maybe America. Anyway, that's besides the point. This is more maths from the UK. So let's see if you all can do this. And this is addition. Okay. There'll be some questions coming up, and I'll give you time to see if you can solve them. No skipping forward in the video, and write your answers down in the comments if you think you know. Right, this will be an easy one. You should all know this. You'll have until the pink meter reaches the bottom of the way to see if you can push your answer in the comments. I actually do not think that worked, but I'm assuming that's enough time. So the answer is because 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that's how that works. Let's see if you're able to solve the next question. Here's the answer to a question like this. It's 90, even though you can't see the 0 and the 9 because it's too far. Also, side note, we might get interrupted by ads because I'm trying everything to try and get rid of the ads, but it's not going to work. So I'll try and pause the recording if you get interrupted by ads, so don't worry. So let's go back, and I'm going to try, and our goal is to use them. I'm going to put some numbers here and trying to add up to 100. If you add these numbers, you'll be able to get the number 100. So there are many ways you can do the addition. By the way, because you don't just have to do it in your head if you're not, yes, because it might take a very long time. Yeah, yes, especially with big numbers, like say this, and if you're supposed to plus it by this, but there's a way where you have to put the numbers, preferably the bigger number, and do not do what I just did. And you have the black line, depending on, you have to have a pen and paper. It doesn't matter what color, and you have to write the number right, and also make sure you write whatever if you're adding or subtracting. But we'll get back to subtracting like in a later video. And then you have to add the numbers from the ones column. This is the ones column, this is the tens column, this is the hundreds column. You have to add them, you have to start from the ones column and add the numbers. So I have to do 9 add 1, which is 10, but you have to actually carry your 1, see? So I have to do 4, add 1 again because of that one. That's because I had to put the 0 there, because if a number adds into a double digit, and when you're doing column method, you have to put the digit in the 10th column of the double digit it would equate to in order to set this up. So 9 add 1 would be 10, so I'd have to put the 0 there and the 1 up there. Then you just do 4 add 1 is 5, add 1 is 6, and you could just put 6 there. Whoa! And then you can just do this, and there's your answer. Simple. And that's how. Yeah, it's as simple as that. There's not really much left to explain. The addition's just like very basic, and this column addition you could use, or there's mental math. And of course you could even use a calculator, but calculator. If you do not know what a calculator is, let me. Okay, so this right here is a calculator that you can find them on your phones, and there's a physical calculator device you can buy as well. And what a calculator is, it'll just do your questions for you. So if I wanted to do 90 plus 60, and if I press equals, it just gives you the answer instantly. And if I press 1 plus 1 is 2. And I know some people say 1 dash 1 is 1 plus 1 is Windows. Some people say, but do not listen to them. No, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? Got it? Good. And there are also all these other little symbols here. And even with these symbols, there's more to math than these symbols over here. Yeah? There's actually more to maths than these symbols right here. And in later videos, we'll be going over each symbol. And also there are a lot more stuff, like maybe this. There's like, the possibilities are endless. Let me know what you want to see and if I'm able to do it, I'll be able to give you a video on it. And then again, also subscribe to our main channel, which I'll try and link in the description. And I'll see you later. Bye.